After adding a support email address to your account, you would have to activate it to receive tickets in Freshdesk from that email address. Let's take a quick look at how to activate your support email address. Go to Admin tab, click on Email. Once in, click on the Verify button corresponding to the email to be activated. Copy the Freshdesk forwarding address generated for the email. Sign into your mailbox and go to Settings, Forwarding and pop IMAP. Add the copied email as a forwarding address. Click on Save. Once done, click on the next button in Freshdesk and your email will be activated. If you haven't received the activation email, please check if you would have received a test email from rachel@freshdesk.com. If in case the email is not found in Freshdesk at all, then you need to verify if the forwarding address is set up correctly in the mailbox.